Hello friends, welcome back. So anomaly in calculation of the basic pension PQP. So उसको यहाँ पे देखेंगे. So friends, this is official circular, so that's why we have to cover it here. So official circle को always cover करने की कोशिश रहती है, and it might affect many of the bank pensioners, and it has been issued by the union. So that's why this is very important here, friends. So इसलिए ये काफ़ी important यहाँ पे बन जाता है. The circular issued anomaly in computation of PQP and FPP to arrive at quantum of the basic pension. So latest official circular August 2025 का official circular friends. So please make sure to share this update maximum, and friends यहाँ पे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना फॉर द लेटेस्ट बैंकिंग पेंशन एंड रिलेटेड अपकमिंग अपडेट्स के लिए. तो चैनल को फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना, बिकॉज दिस इज़ very important update here. So we have been receiving complaints from member of our different circle affiliates that they are receiving less amount of pension due to wrongful calculations of PQP and FPP. So many of them raised the issue during successive Samadhan Pakwada session and have received only an acknowledgement assuring them that they will be advised in due course after examination, but none of them have arrived desired redressal. So our security has revised that at the time of preparing draft amendment of SBI pension regulations as published in Gazette of India Extraordinary dated 18th March 2024, it was overlooked that amount of FPP payable with salary during service and payable with pension on superannuation were made distinctly different in related circulars issued from time to time, including that of circular 15th of July 2024. The content of clause 2, तो यहाँ पे क्या content है यहाँ पे, of the note given below the related chart in clause 10 of circular distinctly mentioned that the increment component of FPP shall rank for superannuation benefit, and there is no scope to compute with half of the same. So further, while the mandate regulation speaks for computing of pension on average of last 12 months of substantive salary plus half of PQP plus half of incremental component of FPP, the P and PMD department at corporate center directed the circles to compute the pension on average of last 12 months of substantive salary plus average of PQP and FPP. So as per the above, the pensioners are losing on two counts: one, by making half of amount which is payable as superannuation, and two, making the PQP and FPP payable on last, so 12 months average, so which is clear violation of amended regulations. So इसीलिए यहाँ पे ये दोस्तों काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है यहाँ पे मॉनेटरी लॉस जो पेंशनर्स को हो रहा है ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ दी हाफ ऑफ इंक्रीमेंटल कंपोनेंट ऑफ एफपीपी, हाफ ऑफ पीक्यूपी. सो उसी को यहाँ पे इस सर्कुलर के माध्यम से क्लैरिफाई करने की कोशिश करी गई है. सो लेट्स सी इसमें क्या अभी डेवलपमेंट होगी. So whenever the development comes, we will try to share it here on this channel. So normally in computation of PQP and FPP to arrive at computation of the basic pension की ये दिक्कत है दोस्तों.